Hello my dear friends. In the last example we saw taking the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. In this we will see taking the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. Now this is our matrix A. We need to find the inverse. We will be using the Gauss-Jordan method. We will be doing all the row operations so that this A into I will get converted into I and you will be getting the A inverse. Now let us move on. Now we are writing our matrix A in the form of augmented matrix with the identity matrix. So here is our A and here is our identity matrix. First what we need to do is we need to get rid of this 4. So we will be doing the row operations, and what this will do is this will make 4 to 0 and this will change this 0 here to -4. So after the first operation, we change the matrix A and we change the matrix I. Now our second operation will involve removing this 3 and making this 0. So this will change this 0 to -3. So this was our second row operation, and we have changed the identity matrix here, and we have got two zeros here. Now what we will do is we need to remove this 2 to 0. So we will be doing this row operation. We will remove 2 times of A2 to get 0 here. And similarly this identity matrix, this 0 will change to -2. -2. Now we have got our matrix in the upper triangular form. Now we need to eliminate this of the two remaining portions to get this into the identity form. So what we will be doing is we will be doing the upper elimination. So our A2 will change from A2 to A2 plus 4A3. Now this one will not be getting affected because the bottom of this is 0. So what we will be doing is making this -4 as 0 first. So now we have got a 0 here. Now you can see our identity matrix keeps on changing. We have got all the entries in the bottom two rows. Now the only remaining portion is removing this 2. Now the last row operation is removing the above 2. So we do the operation A1 equals to A1 minus 2A3. So what we will be getting here is I. We have got identity matrix here, and so this will be our A inverse. So this was our A and this is our A inverse. So this was the lecture about the inverse matrix of a 3 by 3 matrix using the Gauss-Jordan method.